I didn't even vlog in Target because I had so much stuff in my freaking purse, and I was even annoyed when I had to freaking get out my wallet to pay for my stuff. Like, I was so annoyed. But I just finished wrapping 3 videos. I filmed a Misguided X Sean John haul, a Skims haul, and then a nude lip lookbook featuring Juvia's Place. I could do like a mini Target haul, honestly, but it's not really much stuff to it because I only went in there for like sensitive soap for my skin, and I got like 2 extra things. But I guess I could do a mini haul, and then I need to just clean up because and head to Sonic because I really want some mozzarella sticks. I always do it after I film, and then I think I'm done for the day. I would have filmed more, but 2 of my packages didn't come in. I'm missing 2 wigs, and then I also ordered flash stripping as well from Sephora, the new Fenty Beauty gloss bombs, but they didn't come. So I'm pissed off about that. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got from Target. I didn't get much from Target. Like I mentioned, I only went in there for soap, and I didn't even get makeup remover wipes, which is what I need because I ran out. But so I'm gonna probably have to go back. Actually, not probably, I am. But anyway, the first thing that I picked up, honestly, I did need it. I didn't know that I needed it, but I really did need it. And I've been meaning to get an umbrella for the mad long. Like, I don't have an umbrella. I used to have one that had like my college on it, but then I left it at like a restaurant one time. Never got it back. So this is my new umbrella. I picked it up from Target. I think it was like $22, and I really like it because it matches the inside of Onyx. The car is black on the exterior, and then inside is a tan, and this sort of matches the tan that's in the car, so I like that. The second thing I got is what I really went in there for, which is the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar. I got 2 bars. Had to re-up because my family doesn't use the same soap. I got this new scrub and wash. I've seen it all over TikTok, and it smells so freaking good. It's the OGX Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. It literally smells so good. It just smells, I don't even know how to describe it. It smells like coffee, and it smells like coconut. So it smells so good. I don't like coconut, like I don't like to eat coconut, but in fragrances and stuff, I love it. It just smells like islandy. And yeah, everyone raves about it on TikTok. Like, I don't know how I got on shower routine TikTok, but they almost every single one has this, and then they also have like the tea tree hut scrubs too. But I wanted to try this, and it is sulfate free, which is good too. I wonder if they have this scent in like a shampoo. I'm pretty like stuck on the shampoos that I use right now, but this smells good. That's all I got from Target. Now I'm going to literally clean up this mess and get everything back in my filming space, back in order and back where it was. And then I'm gonna head out to Sonic and back to Target, and then I'm gonna go home and edit 2 videos because I have 2 videos that I can edit right now, and get those like scheduled for this week. Hopefully my packages come today so that I can film tomorrow, at least film the Fenty video tomorrow. But if not, I'll have 2 videos pre-filmed for this week of COURTMAS, which is better than last week because I think I actually only had 2 videos filmed for last week too, but it was a mess. But anyway, yeah, so let's clean.
If they hating, got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the Bay. Damn, but we don't never trip. All I know is gas, brake, dip. No, we never trick on that. No, I can't quit. No, I don't f with that mid. But hey, put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. If they hating, got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the Bay. Damn, had to get it on my own. I could really You ain't really what you claim. Why you always in the way? Fat little ways. Bet you gon' make it shake. Say you bout it, but you ain't. Yeah. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some.
Okay guys, so I actually just decided that I'm going to clean my brushes just because literally, like, since doing Vlogmas, I've definitely been wearing makeup a lot more, and I've been using these brushes a lot more, so I feel like I need to wash them more frequently as well. So that's what I'm about to do.
If they hating, got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the Bay. Damn, but we don't never trip. All I know is gas, brake, dip. No, we never trick on that. No, I can't quit. No, I don't f with that mid. But hey, put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. If they hating, got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the Bay. Damn, had to get it on my own. I could really get it if I want. You can't even get it on the phone. You ain't even know. I'll be with a bop getting dough. I ain't gon' stop putting on. From the home of the slang. Yeah, bad on my game. Yeah, big bag with her aim. Yeah, you ain't really what you claim. Why you always in the way? Fat little ways. Bet you gon' make it shake. Say you bout it, but you ain't. Yeah, put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really.
What's up, y'all? So it's the next day and I'm on my way to do a couple errands because you all know me and my family always do family dinners. So today we're doing something new. I saw it on TikTok. Basically they were making like Philly cheesesteaks. Anyway, I'll check in with you guys later when I go to Starbucks, and maybe I'll just pop into Whole Foods real quick, but I'll talk to you later. That's vegan cookies. Tastes like real mayonnaise.
And I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Now I done been with different kind of girls. Feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all
like you.
And I done seen the best of the best. Baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all
like you.
And you know how I feel when I chill. If I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
like you.
And baby, that's the way I feel. And I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you out. But I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes. And I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me. And I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Hit the mall, pop tags, spend a few G's in. Hit the runway,
So I just finished cooking and eating. I made that Philly cheesesteak. It was so good. Like, I'm gonna leave the recipe down below, but y'all know me, like, recipe-ish, because I just be sprinkling. But anyway, my packages came in, so I wanted to show you guys what I got, even though by the time you see this you'll probably already see the actual videos on it. But yeah, so right now I'm just like watching some YouTube. Jackie Aina just posted, so I'm about to watch that. And then always my family and I watch Real Housewives together, so we have Atlanta and Potomac today. So I only have 30 minutes until that comes on, so I'm about to just watch YouTube, kind of prep myself, because after that it's time to film. These are the two wigs. This first one is the one that I'm most like not looking forward to. It kind of gives me vibes from another wig that Outre did. I think it was Miranda or Zandra, I don't know. But oh, I do not like the asymmetrical, and I didn't really realize that this was asymmetrical until I'm looking at it right now. So I'll probably like just cut it shorter instead of, because I really do not like asymmetrical. But I'm really excited about this color. This is dark root, but then it's like a chocolate brown at the bottom, so we'll see what this looks like. And then the second wig is the one that I'm most excited about, but I haven't heard the best of things about this wig. But this is Laurel. And the stock card, I mean, this, like, the girl just looks so popping. So I just got this in a regular 1B. So I hope this looks good, because this is the wig that I really just want to glue it down. Okay, so this is what I was talking about from Uche. So she always raves about this setting spray. It's by Charlotte Tilbury. This is actually the first product I've ever bought from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Airbrush Flawless setting spray. And this was like $20, I think, but this is their smaller size. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, Charlotte Tilbury always like struck me as like an older brand, and this smells like grandma. For the gloss bombs, I got 3 different shades. I kind of wish that I got the chocolate one too, but I didn't. I was gonna get the chocolate one originally, but then I was watching like videos, and Mauve Wives really stood out to me, so I got the shades 1, 2, and 3, which is Mauve Wives, Fenty Glow, Honey Waffles. This is the shade Taffy Tease, and it does have shimmer in it. If it didn't have shimmer, chef's kiss. Like, also people talked about the scent. Let me see. People were like, it doesn't smell. Oh wait, it smells like watermelon. What are they talking about? It smells like watermelon. Hey y'all. And what? Oh, that's why this card is just so filled. Did I really film on this? I didn't even check it, honestly. I don't know what I was saying. So now I'm just trying to look back at the footage and figure out if these videos are usable. I feel like they are. The most important one is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. I'm wearing one right now. This is chestnut lip liner with Honey Waffles. I didn't mention this in the video because my camera literally is shut off on me. But oh, I think this is it. No, it's not. Okay, the Fenty video looks good. The wig video doesn't look that bad. I can post that. Okay, great. So, but what I wanted to come on here and say is, with Vlogmas, I do recommend. It is a lot of work. And I always get questions like, how do you not get burnt out? And honestly, I don't really have an answer for that, because I do get tired. But at the end of the day, I know that like I've wanted this for a long periodically time. No, dead ass. But I wanted this for so long, and now it's just like, in my head, like in my head I just tell myself like, sis, right now isn't the time to rest. Like, you had your whole time, like I wanted to do YouTube since probably my senior year of high school. So every time I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm kind of tired, I don't want to edit this video, I'm just like, now isn't the time to relax. You did all that when you could have been just posting one time a day, when YouTube wasn't as strategic and YouTube didn't have such a hard algorithm. Like, and that might not be the best thing to like tell yourself, or that might not be what keeps you going, but for me it's just like, that's literally what I tell myself. I'm just like, girl, you rested for long enough, now it's time, like it's game time, like sis, you're in the game. Like the clock is running out, you need to literally that's what I tell myself. So but yeah, in terms of like being tired, yeah, I get tired, but at the end of the day I'm just like, sis, you rested for long enough, like now it's time to grind. Literally that's what I tell myself. So but what I wanted to say is that if you struggle with like perfectionism, because for a long time that's also what hindered me. One was caring about what people thought. Two was perfectionism. So I would be like, oh my gosh, I don't have the right camera, I don't have the right setup, oh I don't have the right lighting. Sis, it don't matter. Like, people are getting on with using their iPhone, pick it up. Like, which is kind of like, when I say it out loud, it's kind of like, girl, you should be a little nice to yourself. But at the end of the day, it's like, do you want it or not? That's how I look at it. And Vlogmas, I feel like every YouTuber should do Vlogmas at least once, just because it kind of forces you to get out of the habit of being perfect or wanting to have the perfect content, because you have to upload every day. Unless you're doing like crazy pre-recording, some things aren't gonna be perfect. So yeah, I'm just like looking at this footage, it looks pretty good. I know I have to do a wig review. Like I say, you guys, I'm getting braids, so like I knew to myself that I need to at least upload a wig review before I go through with that. I'll check in with you guys. I think this might be the end of this vlog, because I did want it to be like a weekly vlog, but I might just break it up, because I am going to get my hair done. I'm going to do that one-on-one makeup class, so I feel like that will be enough for a second vlog. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I feel like I never actually appropriately closed out a vlog, so this will be my first time with my cornrow braids as well, with my cornrows and all. But thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like the people who watch my vlogs are the realest ones, like, period. Y'all get to see my real personality and all that jazz. Y'all get to see me at my crustiest, except I'm never crusty, period. Don't be dumb. Just kidding. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Definitely check back tomorrow for a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
It's the type of shit that you've been waiting on you for.